rip straight up here. I got the feeling. Seems like a big old bull flag. Good morning, Raven. Happy Monday.
You weigh yourself this morning?
Yeah, it's like 186.8 or something.
It was 167.2.
Hey.
Getting back down there.
How you holding up? I am holding up. Hope today goes better than Friday, and I switched my risk a little bit, so we'll see how it goes. Good morning, Bruno. How are you? I feel like we're gonna rip up here. We got a big old bull flag. But we will see. Oh, fucking brother. Hello, AJ. My risk is now. I'm risking 300 to make 600, so I'm risking 60 ticks to make 120 ticks. Because going back through and looking at all my trades, basically it goes right to take profit or right to stop loss for the most part. So it's like, it's not worth it to. Like originally, I just checked and I saw that I could have held most of my winners for a 1 to 1.5 at the time, or I could have held them to 120 ticks. So I was like, all right, let's do that. And then like also, I went back and looked when I was losing, and I'm like, all right, basically all my losses I get, like say if I were to enter on like this giant bull flag here, it would basically be the equivalent of this. Like I would enter in here like a 80 to 120, and it would just immediately rip against me. And so I think I can save $100 every time because it's not worth it to let it pull against me. Because it's basically like if it doesn't go right when I want it to, then I'm not. Uh, it doesn't work out well like 95% of the time. That's good though. Yeah, we'll see. So ideally, I am risking less to make more than I used to, and I don't. Or yeah, I'm. I get to risk less than I normally would, so I'll lose less than I used to and make more than I would. And realistically, it shouldn't ruin my win rate at all, or maybe probably a tiny bit. It will obviously, because it will every once in a while. It'll probably pull back to like 70 ticks and then end up being a green trade. But for the amount of times that doesn't happen, it's definitely worth it. So I'll probably only ruin my win rate a little bit, but my RR gets improved like massively. 5 second flag right now. Oh shit. That's good you modified your risk. I wish you luck today, honestly. Thank you, thank you. I need it. I don't know how close I am to blowing any of my accounts, so we're just not gonna look. And then if a message pops up, then
You
it's
said
bad. What'd you say? What?
me?
Yeah, didn't you say something?
Oh, I said you're not gonna look at your accounts, and if you see a message, I just said, oh,
Yeah.
you'll be sad.
Yeah, exactly. We got a big old bull flag. I think we're trapping here. But we'll see. Maybe not. We have any stonks? I think these are the ones that are close. Okay. All right. Good luck. I'll see if I can spot your trade. I'm surprised you haven't taken one already, honestly. But good luck. What are my other ones? I was also looking at Johnny having. I don't want to do it right away because I think we've changed enough. But we could get into some sort of a more of a dynamic risk where if it doesn't close, like the second candle that you get in on, if it doesn't close above, just close the trade there. And then you'd like be able to save yourself even more money.
I get you.
But I don't have any data on it. I just know might be worth it. But I figured for now we're
Yeah, I'm fine with this for now.
yeah, figured we'd do this and then see. Do we have news?
That you said this thing was bear flagging.
No, it's
Looking
bull
like
flagging.
it's. That's what I'm saying. Looks like it's only going down.
It's 10 a.m. Yellow folder, so not really. It is bull flagging. It's the Wumbo trap.
Yeah.
Just 10 a.m. so we're chilling on, so yeah. What's going on, S? Good morning. Good morning. Might be bullish just basing on how the candle respected that VWAP. Did we not? Is this not the VWAP? Did we not just break through this? My bad, I'm on the wrong chart. Yikes. Do you only trade MQ as well? Yeah, yesterday I was on EuroGPY and blew my Forex account. RIP. Did you oversize? I hate Forex. I made an account. I literally might withdraw. I only like put in like $1,000. I only have like 900 now or something. I hate Forex. I literally might just withdraw and fucking close the account. I'd rather just swing trade. Like, 'cause I was like, oh, I'll swing trade Forex and shit. But I hate the spreads. I hate the fucking leverage. I hate everything about it. I'd rather just swing trade on whatchamacallit, on futures and stocks. What do you mean yesterday? It's Monday today. maybe Sunday, or isn't Forex open on the weekends too or something? Say my percentage was high as fuck, but it would have hit my TP. What do you mean? What does that mean? Your percentage was high as fuck, but it would have hit my TP. Opens on Sunday. Okay. So what? 1 hour before futures opens. Operator. How does it feel to be ignored, Raven? How does it feel?
Big chillin', Raven.
Yeah. Oh, for fuck's sakes.
Your chat. I'm not looking at your chat all the time. My bad.
Here we go. Here comes this giant bull flag. He's probably watching YouTube. Yeah, guy's a loser. He doesn't want to stare at this chart while it does nothing 95% of the time.
Yeah, well, I have two YouTubes open. One's boring and one's entertaining.
I
And
wonder
you know
which
which
one's
one I'm
which.
talking about is boring.
Yeah, kid's probably watching fucking League gameplay like a homo. That's a
Usually I
yes.
watch like
That's a yes.
usually I watch like my good stuff, and I usually don't want to watch that later.
I was going through the Lego store and putting stuff in my cart that I wanted, and then it
But
totaled up to like $4,900 or something. So, Mikey Boy needs a payout. I just feel like stuff keeps retiring and I'm not buying it, and I don't know. The Lego store is also terrible. I swear they don't like keep you updated.
yeah,
Like you can go into like the retiring section and they'll be like, "Oh, retiring soon are these things," and then like you could just be scrolling through a different set of something, and then it'll be like, "Oh, this one's retiring soon," but it wasn't on the original page. We got a 60. What is that? A 65 point opening range. 15-minute opening range. Boring. Bro, I need to pay up for my broker. I spent this whole weekend analyzing my strat to pass this funded. 77. Oh, you're on the. Wait, to pass the funded or to get a payout? Okay, do you already. Are you already on a funded or you need to pass it first? 77% win. You have a 77% win rate. Trading what, one to ones? To pass the funded. I'm in the eval service. Right? Okay. It seems like you just gotta follow your rules and you'll be golden then. 1 to 1.5. You have a 1 to 1.5 77% win rate? That seems a little fucking high now. Based on how many trades? I feel like you would be the goat. Maybe my calculations were well. That like you would, even if you were 1 to ones, you would be so profitable. That's 77% win rate. Like if you go win 80% of the time, or I'll just round up to 80% of the time with a 1 to 1, you'd be so profitable. 19 out of 25. Is that right? I mean, 25 is not too many. 19 divided by 25. 70, yeah, 0.76, yeah. I feel like just the law of averages catches up to you, though, but hopefully not. Hopefully you had something good, but that seems crazy. 1 to 1.5 for 77%. I would be happy with a 1 to 1 for 77%. Even lower, like 70%. So,
How many
hopefully that works.
What's 19 out of 25?
Like she's won 19 out of 25 trades, so it's like it is like 76%, but that's the problem. Like the sample size is still like smallish,
Yeah.
but I hope so.
Like that's what ours were like.
Yeah,
In
the beginning, I was winning. Yeah, like I was like fucking 13-1 or something like that, and then it just slowly got closer to 50%. But also just trading simple flags. I don't. What are you trading again? I feel like I probably asked this fucking 10 times, so I always forget.
I feel like she's trading like the same thing we are.
No, I don't think she's trading flags. I think she does like some opening range stuff though, like some opening range breaks. Or yeah, no, like strategy wise. No, not in Q. Yeah. Like strategy wise though, are you? Didn't you say you're doing like opening range break? Yeah. And like, what do you base it off of? Do you literally just need a close outside of the 15-minute round? Like, there's definitely got to be some other stuff to it, right? Obviously. Do you need like a breakout, then a retest, and then a like close back above or something? The notification that Ethereum was back over fucking 2,500. I just want Ethereum to get back to like out of this fucking chop it's been in. Literally just fucking a month straight of just in the same fucking spot. Well, yes, I need to close past the opening range and a retest depending on momentum. I look at our side and make sure it's not a fake out back into the 15-minute range. And VWAP to confirm the overall bias. Okay. And when you say VWAP to confirm the overall bias, are you just meaning if VWAP's above, you want to go long, and if VWAP's below? Or no. Like if, what, say if you're trying to go long but VWAP's above you, are you not going to go long? Because of that. And then like same thing with short. Like if VWAP's below and you want to short, you'll be like, maybe I shouldn't short. It's basically like you use VWAP kind of how we use EMAs, right? Yeah, you'd be skeptical. Okay. It's like I don't want to get long if we're below the EMA, even if, or I don't want to get short if we're above the EMA. You know what I mean? And Basilius, I don't know where he is today. He's rolling around in all his money that he makes from his $100 trades. That jerk.
Sound a little jealous.
Oh yeah. OMG, if you heard tops, I think like my fund and futures was too. I did hear that over the weekend. I don't know. I never did anything about like how were they hacked? Were they hacked or they just had like a data breach or something like that? I saw like my fund and futures sent out something, but then some people were saying like don't click on the email or something like that because it was like I think there's a couple firms. I told you this giant bull flag's about to play out. I told you. Here we go.
Well,
It
you
was just
guess
a fucking giant trap.
guess one of the
Huh?
two directions that the market moves in.
Well, I actually haven't even played out yet, to be fair. But bull flag wall breaking out of the 15 minutes of range. Fucking, I know Pat's gonna take this trade. You ready? Watch. I take the high and the low from the 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then trade either a continuation from the range or break back into the range. There is always a reaction from this range. So you only trade after 10 o'clock. But that's an interesting. So what? You just take the hourly. You're like, okay, 9 to 10. Basically, Top sent some emails, and if you clicked on that reset password email, you would have got hacked.
Oh, well, I didn't click any of that stuff. So
I think that might have been the same for my Fund of Futures too. Then, yeah, I didn't click on anything. The problem is people like I like saw shit was going on. I was like, I'll just see what happens and let it like fucking blow over. Like, because even I saw like the email or whatever, and like I think Johnny, you said the same thing. You're like, did you see like the Buy Fund of Futures email or something like that? I was like, yeah, but like I didn't click on anything because I'm like,
I don't care enough.
yeah, literally. But people are like so. For some reason in trading, everybody is just a fucking spaz. Like, oh my god, it's fucking Saturday and they're sending out these emails. I gotta check right now. It's like I'm
I'm
happy
like,
that I didn't.
if my trade doesn't go through on Monday, I'll change it. Like it's just like, well, let's see what people are talking about.
No, I trade on the one. Well, yeah, I know, but like I mean, you base it off this 1 hour candle. So like you'll go to this 1 hour candle, mark out the range, and then you'll base your 1 minute trading off of that. And I use imbalance candles, vector candles for take profit. I don't really know what that means. What is a vector candle? Is that like one of these? I don't see it. What is volume? Let's see what it is. I've seen people use this. Good morning, Nor. How are we doing? Might be a fake out ES not showing much momentum right now. Actually, haven't even. Jesus, yeah. Yeah, I mean, we haven't even closed above yet, so. I think it's just waiting for the 9 a.m. candle to close. I think it expands higher at 10. You can see it. I think we're going higher as well, but we will see. fuck is this guy?
Oh my, it's the same guy from
I
last.
thought so. Yeah. Does Mark need to stop playing with my feelings? How close are you to passing, Raven? Like, can you just ban somebody as opposed to like timing them out? Oh, good morning, Ilias. You see the prop data leaks, by the way? Yeah, we were just talking about that, Nor. Raven said top step. I thought it was my fun and futures as well, but I never was really concerned. I never clicked on any emails, and apparently that was the way they like got your info. You madman, answer my Discord. Actually, have to get some work done today, Elias. Were you at the office working, or not at the office, but getting shit done from home? You took 3 trades while in a meeting? Good fucking god. Well, what? Only one that mattered, though, right? One loser, 2 winners. Did you take the winner first, and then the other two were on paper? Okay, welcome and fuck. What is wrong with this guy? Oh, brother. I don't know how many channels he has, but I've been mean. He's just retarded. I was about to buy more Top Step accounts, but holding off for a while. Yeah, I'd wait for the fucking dust to clear or whatever, just to be safe. Some psycho eggs. Not from me. Some guy got his social security number leaked. Oh god, that fucking sucks. What do you even do when that happens? Like, where do you even go? Yeah, I'm glad I didn't take that buy. Yep, that's. I mean, you called it. You said it might be fake out. ES was looking weak. Oh wow, what a sweetheart. Mike is so majestic. Wow, no, still don't care. Put user in timeout. See you later. Like, you can't just. Does anybody know? Can you just perma fucking ban?
Like an IP address? That's what I was just thinking.
Not even the IP address, but like at least his account, so he has to make a new account every time because he probably just uses the same ones the next day. You want to be a moderator, Johnny?
Sure, I'll ban people.
Okay. You have to speed or wait. What is moderation activity? Oh wait, what the fuck is this? What did I just do? Now it says moderation activity will be shown. I don't know what that means.
Probably like if I ban someone, you can see it.
Okay, I'll leave it on and see. Oh yeah, see it says was timed up by McLavoy for 86,000 seconds. Sure, I'll ban people. The power goes right to its head. Well, I mean, what else do you do as mod besides fucking ban people? No, alter to my PA account. I got stopped literally by one tick in the first short. Then I wasn't focusing because I was in a meeting. Took another short, won it, then took a long and one. I thought you.
Did you do it?
I thought you only took one trade a day. Oh, news scandal. Oh wow, that was actually a big news scandal. For considering.
Did you make me a mod?
Hold on. I'm in this weird spot where most of the time where I say, do I only take one trade or like, oh, okay, so you're still. Well, no, now I can make you a mod because you typed. As is mod.
Well, that's what I typed.
Can manage blocked words and change chat modes in live, and also has capability of standard. I can make you a standard moderator or a managing moderator. Can review and remove chat messages and hide or put users in timeout. Yeah, probably that one, right? I don't even can manage blocked words and can change chat modes in live, and also has capabilities of standard moderators. Oh, I think if you do managing, then you can just do a bit of everything. Bryce just waits for new H1 or H4 candles to open before expansion. If you pay me $8 an hour, I'll be your mod, Mikey. Yeah, fucking right, dude.
Oh, you are now managing moderator for this channel. This manage black words, change chat.
Hey, here, you can test out your mod skills.
Remove.
No, you just removed the message. What a dumbass.
Okay.
Oh my god, you're fired, dude. Alright, Elias. I'll hire you.
Hide user in
there
channel.
There you go. No, you hit him? I want to ban Johnny. What are we doing? He's harassing me.
I'm testing.
Nice
I'm
job.
testing.
Now Raven's been harassed. Now she's going to HR. We're getting the whole stream shut down. Thanks a lot.
Oh yeah. 10-second timeout.
Oh, all right. What are we doing here? Come on. Oh my. All right. This is madness. It's anarchy in here. What are we doing? Nice. This is my fault, Raven. I gave him this power.
I don't think I can ban people.
That's what I'm saying. I couldn't ban people either. Hiding the evidence. Just deletes every one of her chats.
Because I can only like. You can just hide his messages so you can't see them.
I guess.
Hiding the evidence. Yep.
Man, what are we doing here? Maybe go to participants in chat. The Essengay 500 ruining the PA here. Yeah, we are a bit sideways. How are you feeling after Friday Tilt? It wasn't Friday Tilt. It was Friday realizing that trading's a myth and it's all bullshit. That's what it was. No, I think Tilt is when like you do stuff that's not according to your trading plan. I did everything I wanted to do. I was just mad that I am losing and like am 50-50. So, I went through, I adjusted some stuff. Looked back through my trades, even did a little bit of back testing, like a faggot, even though I hate back testing, because I just don't think it's like indicative. Whoa.
What?
We're gonna go right now. We're gonna go. But, I didn't watch the full stream. I basically just like went back through all of my streams and determined that I don't need to have a stop loss that's as big as 80 ticks. So now I'm basically going with a 1 to 2 because I went back through all my trades and realized that 90 something percent of them, 92 or 93% of them go to a 1 to 1.5. So I have changed my thing to a 1 to 1.5, or at the time it was a 1 to 1.5, but now it's a 1 to 2 because I also determined that basically if I win, it goes straight into profit, and if I lose, it's basically like me getting wicked in and then it just comes right against me. Like, very rarely do I go into deep drawdown and then have it pull back against me. Like, basically, it's like I want the move to happen then and there. So it's like I have now changed my risk from 80 ticks to 60 ticks. So realistically, now I only lose 300, and I have the ability to make 600. So. Oh, alert on Verizon. Okay. 90% on how big of a data set? 40 trades, I think. 30 something, 37 maybe. I don't know. RSI seems to be low. Is that good or bad? Even I don't know. Like, low, isn't that good if it's low because it's not like overbought, so it should go or something? Is that how that works? Or am I dumb? Let's go to Verizon. Maybe I'll get in a swing trade here. Yeah, actually, this was like the one that I didn't really want to. Let's see. Because we've just been fucking sideways. What are we doing? This one I put on both. No, we haven't really hit a trap. I don't want to get in on this. We're just kind of ranging. I'll just put that there just in case. Yeah, that is the plan. Like, if you see a bullish candle in low momentum, it is a fake out. In in what RSI shows momentum, is that what that does? God, we are just ugly right now. Yes, sir. Let me throw it back up. I just want to see it again. Which one is it? It's not this one, right? Just to see if I can actually. I mean, I'm most likely not going to use it. RSI index. This one? No. Low strike index. This one? I'd be in S&P longs right now if ES even looked. Yeah, I mean that. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. That's terrible. Nvidia kind of going sideways. Apple going side. I mean, everything's just going sideways at this point. Or well, it doesn't fucking matter, but we are just sideways. Put RSI in the first option that you get that says index. Okay, so RSI. Is it not that relative strength index? Yes. Oh, okay. Did you adjust any of the? Oh, maybe we're starting to go now. Jesus fucking Christ! The bull flag playing out finally. Wait, yeah. So let's see. I'm thinking of switching to gold. NQ is just too trappy and volatile. It's not good for 10 points and 10 point. Really is. What do you mean? I feel like you fucking win every day. What are your stats? You need a bigger RR like you. I'm thinking. Whoa, wait. I feel like you're doing really good though. Why would you want to change?
Yeah, that doesn't make much sense to me.
Like, what do you mean it's too trappy for 10 points? I feel like you literally win fucking. Didn't you say you win like 70% of your trades or something like that? Do I have to change any of these settings, Raven, or no? I don't know. It just doesn't seem like you should change if things are going well for you. And like you've traded NQ probably for a long time. No. Okay. Okay, so what is this and what is this? What is the purple line and what is the yellow line? Also, did you buy that breakout or no?
Did I get in? No.
No, no, no. I was talking to Raven. I don't think there was a fucking chance we were getting in. Why is this so big? Can I fucking scroll this down or something? I fucking don't like this. I'm in the breakout right now. Let's see. Ooh. What's your target? '60s is the target. So let's say if it broke out here, '60s is the target, something like that. And what's your stop? Just back into the 15-minute range, probably. Maybe like VWAP. Did you end up getting in, Nor? I know you said you were bullish. It doesn't look like a terrible flag with that trap on the ES, but it's just so fucking choppy. Yes, at VWAP. All balls, no skill. I don't know. Looking like some skill to me. 20 points. Let's see it. Base a lot of my NQ trades on ES. Okay. It's fine. I told you this bull flag was going to work, Johnny. I was just an hour late. It's not my fault.
Nice.
See what? Now are we like overbought or something because it's above this fucking this thing? Is that how that works or something? Wow, what a baller. 3.22 RR. I thought you were going for 1.5s. Two positions, one for 30 points and one for another 30 points. So you what, like runner, like you take half the thing off or something?
Sure, going for like 30 and 60.
So TP1 must have already been hit then, no?
Or like very close.
And then break even? Yeah, just lose my position. Closed. Okay, fucking okay. I was like, what? I'm gonna break it. Will you let this run past the 60s, or you have a hard target there? Like hard TV or soft TV? 60 exactly, or somewhere in the 60s. Somewhere. Okay. Good luck. Good luck. You caught that banger, Mike? No, this is Raven straight. I'm not that good. I'm a loser. A
Looser.
loser. Yeah. I don't have a setup. I thought we were going higher. Cause I thought this was a big old bull flag, but I didn't have an entry. Loser. Hey, listen, Nor, you didn't get in either. How'd you do today, FFs? Nothing. Yeah. I feel like if you haven't caught that, like, I feel like that's the move of the day so far. If you had a way to get in, please don't rub salt in my wounds. My bad, my bad. But I feel like if you didn't get in on that push, you probably haven't got in on anything. Are you automatically done for the day? Like, are you done as soon as the 15-minute range breaks out? And if you don't get in there, you're done. Like, you can't wait for like a retest or something or anything. Like, it's literally just that. I can't wait, but nothing looks good for you. Like, what would you need to see? I'll use volume profile. I'll pretend like I know what that is. Yeah, we hold tight, Raven. Maybe right now. Hard to share because you don't know what volume, but yeah, that makes sense. Did that get you?
Good trade.
Good trade, man. That was good.
How much did you make on that?
Was that one contract? One mini? I feel like you that one day. No, that one, I mean, that one's a harder hold there. I mean, how many? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 minutes.
Yeah, I'm trying to get in 1 minute trades because I'm a coward and I can't hold my trades.
Okay.
Oh god, I gotta grab something. Just double on. I'm fucking. My stomach is gurgling right now. I'm so hungry. Are your legs sore?
Yeah, my legs are sore. This Mike's mouth. All right, all right. Relax, relax here.
I'm not there. I would ban him.
Two micros, Raven? You risked 11 points and risked two micros? What is that? How much is a micro? 50 cents?
Yeah.
That's $1. You risked
$1 a tick.
$11? No, I'm retarded.
Oh,
11
$1 a
points.
tick.
Yeah.
So you probably made like 140 bucks. What? No, what is that? No, more than that, right?
No, she risked 11 points. So 44 ticks. So you risked $44? Or did you get
Gotta be
in
more
way
than
later?
that, right?
Or did you? I think. Where was your entry? I think IDK. Someone calls her the risk management queen. She doesn't know how much she risked. Where did you get in at like this candle close here or something? Yeah, he right 44. Yeah, you risked $44. Dude, when are you trying to pass your fucking prop account next year? Good God.
Then he
About
went
right
from
around the
gassing up
20s.
saying it's a good trade to just be like, you fucking idiot.
No, it is a good trade. Like it's a good trade regardless of how much your size is, but it just seems so little. Like, especially for an eval, it's like you could have risked at least 200. Johnny, why aren't you responding? He can't read anything. He's downstairs fucking making food because he's a fatty. I just started. I'm trying to learn. Oh, you just started trading?
Oh,
Oh.
now you should feel like a piece of shit.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, like a week ago. Oh my.
Raven, you've been in this chat for like longer than a week.
That is true. Mike the bully. It's not like that, I swear. Yeah, you've been in this chat for longer than a week. She's lying. Demo trading though? Yeah, but how long have you been demo trading for? 1 week and more profitable than your favorite guru. Literally, you held trades better than Diego. He's been doing it for 2 years. Shout out Diego.
Be a little awkward if you joined that chat right there.
It's okay. He can hear it. I roast him enough. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think he streams today, anyways. It's Monday. Remember the wholesome conversations we had about picking my funded broker? Yeah. All right. I didn't know. I don't know. I didn't know if you were trading cash before that or whatever. But how long have you been trading in general? 2 years with Forex and crypto. Okay, okay. So you've been trading for a while. What made you switch over to futures? Because Forex absolutely sucks beans. Yep.
My mom got this like they're like chicken tenders. They're from like a company called Real Good. For 4 ounces of the chicken tenders, it's 120 calories and they're like breaded and stuff. For 21 grams of protein.
That's cute. Your mom still buys your food.
Dude, if you weren't on a cut, your dad fucking makes his batches of chili for you every single week. I don't want to hear
Every
it.
single week? No. Yep, it's a good broker. To be fair, before COVID, everyone started with FX. Really? Why? Check out Euro JPY. That move down was my $500 right there. Let's see. Euro JPY. Holy fucking chop fest. What moved down? Like this move down? Did you buy up here? Actually, wait, you said Sunday. Or no, yeah, Sunday. On Sunday around 9. You were trading Forex at Sunday around 9. Was that 21? It's like here. You bought up here. If it wasn't for these funded props, you wouldn't have been here right now. I would either be doing stocks. And that's not true. I traded a cash account on futures before I even knew what prop firms were. Like the first thing I made was a trade of a broker. Well, before that it was stocks. I'd either still be doing stocks, or I'd be doing future cash accounts.
Probably be doing options still.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like it'd be options, or like I mean, like stocks. It'd either be options or cash account. So Raven, what is this RSI bullshit? What is this down here? So what is this yellow line and what is this purple line? Fine, like I'm gonna trade with 1 minute. No, I don't want to rush you, but it just seems crazy to risk $40 in an account that you have $2,000 in drawdown. Like what is that? Like I'd rather risk $40 of my own money. You're gonna blow your account. It's not true. Ilias, dude, I have Mike's gonna make him blow. It's wow. Ravens is a girl. That's how not often you're here. FFs. Shame on you for not realizing. You just assume their gender. Ban him, Johnny.
Who?
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Who?
Relax.
Ilias?
No. It's a
Ilias, you were close for a
I'm
10-second
pride
time out
too.
there. Don't even know if it was you. I just
No,
assumed.
It wasn't. Um. And realistically, I hold on to my funded accounts longer than most people, and I risk $400 to trade, or now $300. But I was risking $400 to trade, and I've had accounts for like 70 days. I've had accounts for like 40 days. So realistically, I do better than most, but I just never. You take one trade every 2 weeks. All right, FFs. It didn't used to always be like that. And that's not true. Last week, I took 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. It's just like March and April. I mean, April and May were slow. Oh, I'm using the wrong RSI. go here to close it. Oh, okay, a fat spike up. Oh, okay. What the fuck? See. Oh yeah, right. Happy Pride Month, Mike. Yeah, awesome. Thanks. Isn't that your setup? Where? What does PDH taken mean? 2 touch points right below. That? No. Let's be this. Previous day high. Uh-oh. I see. Okay, wait, let me go. Jesus Christ, what is happening? Does anybody know what is going on right now? What is up with this extremely high volume all of a sudden?
With the spike up?
We're just like spiking. Still. So, still your setup though? It's not my setup. Okay, I need this. If Nias was gay, I'd be up so much if it wasn't so gay. It's probably just seeking liquidity. Remember, Friday was stupid choppy, so. Was Friday choppy? Oh, yeah. I got cooked. Cooked, I tell you. Okay, alright, so. So it's this one. Alrighty. So when it goes up here, it's overbought. Allegedly. Oh. Oops. I gotta go sleep for this 9 to 5. Alright, good luck. So I've edged my longs and yeeted. Yeah, but I mean, you got out like here. You would have had to wait through another like 10 minutes of chop before it ripped up. Oh, God. Oh! My legs are sore. Love you, Johnny. I'm lying. Ouch.
Can I take a time out?
Wow. It was so right, Raven. It was overbought, and then it's sold immediately. This is the end all be all indicator, clearly. It must be. Louver, it is. Louver. Ideally for RSI, it's laggy, so it's not the best to use for entry. I use it after candle closes to see if it's a fake out or breakout. Wait, alright, let me put it back on so I can see what you're talking about. So, when you said it earlier, what, on this guy? Does it say bear as soon as that candle printed? How does that work? Like, what is this bear shit? So it's more convincing. It's not convincing here, but it's more convincing. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to tell. Ignore that bear and bull stuff. I gotcha. Like, why is it more? Why is it not good looking here? And it's better looking here. Just because, like, this candle closes. Or actually, I mean, realistically, it's not even a. What? So when this candle closed here, like, does that not look good? RSI so is nonsense. You were calling NQA fake out at 9:50ish and then long 20 minutes odd later. Well, I think that was the point, Nor, right? Like she avoided this because RSI didn't tell her to, and then here she used it to her advantage and then got the long from it. Wasn't that like the point? It was that fake out and confirmed with ES. That period is still bullish. It's just consolidation before expansion. Super normal expansion behavior. I don't know. She did something here that made her not get in here and get in here. And it had something to do with this. I just don't know what. I don't know how you look at this and then you look at that, and they look the same. It was still going up as candle broke the resistance, so that's why I bought. If it's around like 50 or below, I wouldn't. Oh, there's numbers? Right side, bottom right. Is that the same as this number here, too? Yeah, so it's the same as this number. But, wait a minute. it was below. It was above 50. Like this was 60. Why didn't you buy here? Yeah, it's like the same here. It was actually lower here than it was here. I gotcha. Kind of making a bull flag here. We're just making a barcodey one. I mean, technically that's a hot. I don't know. Not yet. And I want the 2 minute to catch up to it before I think about doing anything yet. Oh, trader back test. TGR ES trader lost 19K today. I don't know. I don't know how legit that guy is because one like somehow he'll like lose like 19K, which seems like a lot, and then he'll be like, my winning day was $150,000, but he only made like a 1 to 3 or something like that. So I'm like, how did you lose 15K the day before? Unless he doesn't risk the same dollar amount, which I don't fucking know why you would do that. But hello, pretty back this. Tomorrow you risk more. I mean, yeah, like risking like $40 seems a little crazy for an evaluation prop firm account, but if you're just getting your feet wet, then I mean, I guess there's no rush, but still. How's life, brother? I have switched my risk management a lot since you've been here, Trader Backtest. Took a week off. Nice weather here. Nice. The joys of being a trader, right? No trade. You didn't even look at the chart or anything. What do you recommend? I can lose 1,500 on this account. I mean, I risked $400. Like now I'm risking 300, but I was risking $400 on like accounts where you could lose like 2,000 or 2,500. Like I was only giving myself 5 losses in a row. Like statistically, if you're looking and you say you win 77% of the time, the likelihood of you losing 5 times in a row is very low. But even if you don't want to risk 400, I would risk at least 200. Like, and you're going for like 1 to 1.5s or 1 to 3s or whatever you got. It was like it seems. Yeah, what were you risking? 40? I would risk. Like on that trade, you probably could have used a mini. One mini would have been what? You were risking 11 points or something like that, right? It was like here. And you were risking a VWAP at the time. I think you got in, what, here? Yeah, and you were risking a VWAP. Like 11 points with one mini is just over $200. Like you realistically should have been like 8 micros, 9 micros, one mini. I'd risk around like 200. I took some swings, 4 hour Bitcoin, Solana. What is KMNO another crypto? I never heard of that one. But nice, that's good. But yeah, I've changed my risk to instead of losing 80 ticks, I'm losing 60 now because basically most of my trades, as you've probably seen, most of my trades that I lose, I enter and they just pull against me instantly. And then most of my trades I win just go straight into profit. And I went back and looked, and most of my trades that I win, I could get a 1 to 1.5. But now it's a 2R because I've shortened my stop loss too. I've been doing 200 in all accounts with 2K drawdown. Yeah, like I see MB. It's just ideally, and I know this is not a good mindset. I'm just not confident in my trades. Just a psychology thing. Yeah, I mean that's the thing. Like I don't want you to size up too early, and then like it causes you to like be like, oh my god, I'm risking $200, and then you don't hold like you did today because you did a good job of holding. So, but when you are ready, I think 200 is a good place to be, or maybe even a little higher. Like I'm doing 300, and that's less than normal, even with my win rate. Yeah. Oops. What the fuck? What, if you double tap, does it open? Oh, it does. Okay. What do you think, Johnny?
I was hoping it was gonna go up right there.
What, from where it did?
Yeah. But I'd still get in off that push down.
Yeah, it looks better in like the 2 minute or the 3 minute. Just cause. It's a good trap below. Maybe baiting in a bunch of shorts. Does this rule came from blowing accounts or getting too close to blowing them? Um, I don't even know if my accounts are being close to blowing. I lost 2R on fucking Friday, but it basically just came from me looking back at my stats after I lost because I was just like, man, all I do is feel like I win and lose and win and lose. And it's just like went to looking at my stats and being like, dude, I'm literally break even after. I'm like, I just feel like I'm break even. And then I like was looking back and I'm like, I'm literally like break even over the past like 2 months or some shit. I was just like win, lose, win, lose, win, win, lose, 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 win, win, win. Like, and I'm like, all right, something's got to change here. So I'm like, hopefully this doesn't wreck my win rate that much because based on the way I lose, I usually lose. It just pulls straight against me and then goes down. Like I very rarely go into drawdown and then end up winning the trade. So realistically, this should only ruin my win rate a little bit because obviously it's statistically it's just gonna basically have to. And then, but my RR is so much bigger that it should make me way more profitable. That's the goal. Is Walker black? No, I don't have black friends. uh, whatever trade you're doing, I'm putting one mini. No, 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 no. You already took your good trade for today, Raven. You're good. You're golden. It's just tomorrow. It's a tomorrow problem. Oh, the photo. I've been caught red-handed. Just if you know, Mike is making gay porn nice. I'm the whitest guy in this chat. That cannot be true. Johnny's here. He's white as shit.
You say I'm white as shit?
Yeah. You gonna disagree?
No.
Yeah, exactly. Johnny face reveal. I don't think you want to see that. My original plan was to do like, like Tops Up TV has like each person with like a face cam or whatever, but I don't know how to do that. And Johnny's super ugly, and yeah.
Yep.
Any 200-pound people in this chat or just Mike? Try to back us. I'm in the 180s. You better watch yourself.
Yeah, but you're not in the 160s.
Yeah, great. I still have more abs than you. Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Dude, you did one thing over me, and that was having your legs stronger, and then I did more than you. So
Yeah, it was a bad day.
I hate your PR.
No way you actually coming to me. Yeah, how much do you weigh, Try to back test? I'm losing weight. I'm on the cut. I told you. The RSI, BS, IDK, I did calc too, and it just looked right based on the angle. Fair enough. Anything that helps. How big do I size up for evals, Mike? It's called the fucking one trade at Open FFs. On Apex evals, it's literally 10 contracts, fucking TP or blown account. I don't waste my time on evals. Problem is your face still looks 200 pounds. Why? Why?
That's tough.
Just getting hazed.
That was a good chirp.
Yeah, but my fucking shoulders, dude. My chest.
Except when you're pressing.
Yeah, but as long as I look big, it doesn't matter if I can lift heavy weights or not. Look at that chest. Fucking huge.
I don't know why, like, any pressing motion, you're
Yeah.
not good at pressing. You gotta, like, pushing.
I'm not
Alright,
terrible at shoulder press.
You hit 45s the other day.
Yeah, because my
You were
shoulder
struggling.
day is right after fucking chest day, and like, you use your shoulders during your fucking incline bench, and then my shoulders were sore. Guy takes one bad day I have, and then just deems it as fucking possible. Like, literally every time I do at least 50s, and then he's like, "You did 45s that one time." Pigeon chest? I don't even know what that means.
I was gonna. Yeah, but you're a girl,
Man, I
so
suck.
I feel like
It
that's.
says I only did legs. Only did legs? Sounds like you're not going to the gym, Raven. Johnny number one hater. Yeah, Johnny is a fucking big hater at the gym. I have long arms. I have long limbs. That's my problem. It's hard to press when you have longer arms. I swear. I have freakishly. I'm 6 feet tall and my wingspan is like 6'6", or like 6'5". How you know? What do you mean, Raven? You fucking you sussed yourself out. You said you did it in past tense. You did it to yourself. What is it? Self imposter or whatever the fuck it's called.
Yeah, but she's also a girl, so
No, but I was calling her out
I
because
feel
she
like.
doesn't even go to the gym anymore. Like she said, I
Oh,
only did legs, and I was like,
well, yeah. But I was just saying, I feel like girls like just focus on legs.
pitch and chest is a compliment. Doesn't sound like a compliment trait. In fact, as if I had to think about it. It's a compliment. I doubt it. Would you date a
Would you
Mike?
date a Mike?
What? Maybe Johnny. I got a lady. Johnny's lonely.
I'm so lonely. Yeah,
Ian Walker. Oh, you want to date Johnny? Interesting trader back test. I figured you swung that way. Good news for you, Johnny does too, so. We are professional businessmen. Nice. Businessmen, yeah. Professional. Well, this day is over. I feel like if you didn't get it, let's see, what could have AJ have taken? Any good inverse fair value gaps anybody sees? I'd like to come in and tell AJ I know his strategy. Let's see. No, I wouldn't have taken that. I don't see many fair value gaps. Unless he took this one and got cooked. Yeah, well, it's a no trade day. Maybe he took this. I hope not, but possibly. I'm gonna go back to opening range and you can take a sell, honestly. It's 11 o'clock. I'm already done. I don't trade after 11. I'm going to inverse you, fair value. If I had to guess, this would be the only inverse that I see. Like, I don't even know what other ones there are. Maybe if like you go in different time frames, but on the 5 minute. Oh, maybe fair value. Maybe he did this one. Maybe. Alright, let me do my daily dollar and get the fuck out of here. Go eat because I'm hungry. Because I'm on a cut, trader back test. I'm coming down to your weight. Or I don't know how much you weigh, but I'm going to 180. No, wait, no, not mines, not mines. Six on a 10. Doesn't even show me their card. That's stupid. Maybe you can just play with $0. That's fun. Oh, looks like I didn't have a chance.
Nice.
Wow. Wow. Perfect. Jesus Christ. Oh, God. Walker's right bottom 100%. about the gambling addiction. Some things never change. All right, good luck. See you, man. All right, peace out. Yeah, I'm out of here. No trades, nothing to take. Boring day. Peace out.